Here's how to make passive income with 3D printing. We all know you can make money selling physical prints, but did you know you can actually make money selling STL files? Now, there are two ways to do it. You can either sell STL files or even sell memberships such as Patreon memberships. But here are a few things you need to do first in order to get to that point. The first thing is you need to learn how to design. This is hands down the number one thing you need to learn to do, especially if you want to create your own models for 3D printing, especially if you want to sell models to the 3D printing community. Doesn't matter what software. Fusion, Onshape, Nomad, Blender, Shaper 3D. Doesn't matter what software you pick and choose, but ideally you want to pick a software that suits your needs based off of whatever you already like to design. Second, once you learn these softwares, the next thing you can do is start creating models for the 3D printing community. Just in the same way there are niches where you can sell physical products, there's also niches inside 3D printing where people are looking for models to 3D print and they're just looking for cool models that they can actually 3D print either for themselves or even to sell as physical versions. The key thing here is you want to create designs and models that you already like yourself, but as well as designs and models that people are already looking for. You can go on places like Cults 3D, MakerWorld, Printables, and kind of get some inspiration and ideas as to what to design and make. For example, there are niches such as articulated flexies and toys, articulated dragons, unique designs like book nooks, fun home decor, and even simple designs like planters. It doesn't matter what it is, just in the same way where you go and sell a physical product, the same thing applies here. Make some really good designs that people want and that solve a specific problem if possible. Now, once you have models designed and ready to be sold, the next thing you can do is sell on platforms like Cults 3D, Patreon, Printables, MakerWorld, wherever you can list and publish your products online. The key thing here is you want to be consistent as a designer. Consistently make new designs. Don't worry about them being perfect. And honestly, for the most part, if you truly enjoy making stuff for the community, then people are more than likely to download your models and even subscribe or even pay for your design. And then when someone does download or even purchase your model, most of the revenue that you earn is pretty much profit because there isn't much overhead aside from your 3D printer and the filament you use on that design. The good thing about this is that you don't have to ship anything out, you don't have to print anything, and every time you make a sale, that's just profit on the back end that you get to earn passively. And when you have a full catalog of designs and models, and if you're consistent with this, you can actually build a pretty sizable passive income just by selling STL files. And if you're an established designer, build a sizable income just having a membership, creating new designs for your members and keeping your members happy. If you want a more in-depth guide on how to do this, make sure to check out 3D Printing School with link in bio.